Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 2 marks question from the CBSE Supplementary Exam 2025. Let's look at the question. Px and Py are two tangents drawn from an external point P to a circle with center O. If angle XPY is equal to 120 degree, then prove that Px plus Py is equal to PO. Okay, so before I start doing the question, let me make a construction by joining O to X and O to Y. Now we know that these make an angle of 90 degree because we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, and we also know that the two triangles will become congruent to each other. Why are they congruent? Because OP is common, angle Y and angle X are equal to 90 degrees. And we also know that OX and OY are equal to each other because they are radii of the same circle. So by RHS congruency rule, we can say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. Now if they're congruent to each other, we know that these angles will become equal to each other. That is, angle OPX is equal to angle OPY. Angle OPX is equal to angle OPY is equal to half of angle XPY. Okay, which is the angle XPY? It is this angle. So it will become half of that. Okay, now we know that XPY is given to be 120 degrees. So I can take this as half into 120 degree and that's equal to 60 degrees. So we got each of these smaller angles as 60 degree. Okay, now comes the interesting part. Now let's use trigonometry and find what cos of 60 degree would be. Okay, we know that cos in triangle OPX, we know that cos 60 degree is equal to the adjacent side, which is Px, divided by the hypotenuse, which is OP. And we know that the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to Px by OP. So let me cross multiply and I would get OP as equal to 2 times Px. So that's my first equation. Now let me use trigonometry in the other triangle, that is in triangle OPY. I know that cos 60 degree is equal to Py divided by OP, the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Now cos 60 is once again 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2 is equal to Py divided by OP. Let me cross multiply and I would get the value of OP as 2 times Py. So that's my second linear equation. Now let me add up equations 1 and 2. So I would get OP plus OP, which is on the left hand side of both the equations. See, I'll add up the left hand sides together and the right hand sides together. So I will get OP plus OP is equal to 2 times Px plus 2 times Py. That is 2 times OP is equal to 2 times Px plus Py. Okay, so let me cancel out the 2 and I would get Px plus Py is equal to OP, which is what we wanted to prove. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.